Enabling Face ID on your Qumu 2026 device can enhance your security and streamline your access. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the main menu on your Qumu 2026 and locate the Settings app. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 2. Navigate to Security. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Security option. Select it to access security-related features. Step 3. Select Face ID. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow on-screen instructions. You will be prompted with those screen instructions to position your face within the designated area. Follow the prompts to capture your facial data accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once the facial recognition process is complete, confirm your settings and save any changes. Your Face ID is now enabled and ready for use. Now that you have successfully enabled Face ID on your Qumu 2026, you can enjoy a more secure and convenient way to unlock your device.